Let's begin with part A of the question. We are asked to rearrange the equation with y as the subject. So we start by shifting everything other than y to the other side of the equation. We move x to the other side as minus x, and then the 2 divides both terms, giving us the final equation y equals negative x over 2 plus 3. Now, for part B, we compare this with the standard form of a straight line equation, which is y equals mx plus c. From this, we get the gradient m as negative 1 over 2. Moving on to part C, we are asked to find the equation of a line parallel to the one we just found. Since parallel lines have the same gradient, this new line will also have a gradient of negative 1 over 2. The line passes through the point 0 as 7, so we take x1 equals 0 and y1 equals 7. Using the point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, we substitute the values and simplify the equation. After simplifying, we get the final equation, y equals negative x over 2 plus 7. Now, let's move to the next question. We are asked to find the equation of a line that passes through the point 4 as 7 and is perpendicular to a given line. We know that perpendicular lines have gradients that are negative reciprocals of each other. If the gradient of the given line is 2, then the gradient of our new line will be negative 1 over 2. Again, using the point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, we substitute x1 as 4 and y1 as 7. Now we open the brackets and simplify. Shifting minus 7 to the other side as plus 7, we get the final equation, y equals negative x over 2 plus 9. Thank you for learning with us. Let us know in the comments what topic we should solve in our next video.